So, yesterday we started multiplying by a 2-digit number. So I'm just going to make one up here to try. We're going to do 432, and I'm going to multiply that by a 2-digit number. So I can pick 25. Okay. So again, remember what we did yesterday is we had to think that this 2 is invisible. We don't see it. We don't see it until later on. Right now, we're pretending it's not even there. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing we learned at first. We're going to take this 5 and multiply it by everything on top. We're going to multiply by the 1s, then the 10s, then the 100s. Okay, so let's do that. We're going to do 5 times 2. When we do that, we get 10. So we're going to write down our 1s, carry the 10s. So I write a little +1 up there. Then I'm going to take the 5 and multiply it by 3. When I do 5 times 3, I get 15. I'm going to add 1 more to that. 15 plus 1 more is 16. So I write down my 6. And then I got to carry a 1, so I do another +1. Then I'm going to take my 5 and multiply it with my 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Then I need to add 1 more again, so that's 21. So I'm going to write down my 21 here. I am now all finished multiplying with my 5. I'm going to need to move on to my 2, but in order to make that happen, remember what we did yesterday? We have to say bye to the 5. So we give it a hug and we kiss it goodbye. Now I can see my 2. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the 2. Got to multiply it by everything on top. So I'm going to start with the 1s, then the 10s, then the 100s. All right, let's go. 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to put our 4 right here. Then 2 times 3 is 6. 6 in the next spot. 2 times 4 is 8. Nothing to carry on that one. Now I'm finished. I multiplied this number by everything on top. I'm finished with multiplying. Last step is to add it all up. So I'm going to add them all up. So I have 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10. I'm going to carry my 1 right there. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 1 more is 8.